So global Atomians, hello everyone. I am Isangmi. It's nice to see you all. Wow, we are finally seeing our members face to face directly. So with our 3,000 live participants, I can already feel your passion and the heat in this dream hall. So today in our message time, we will have something special for you. So what we have prepared is a aromatherapy. So we will be giving you a healing time. So the Atomy organic aromatherapy was launched a few days ago. So it's a very new product. Have you tried it? Great. So not only the introduction, we will also invite some professional body trainers to teach us how to do stretching and massage with these essential oils. So before that, let me introduce you to our new products. So first, what is aromatherapy? So it seems a little bit complicated, right? But actually, it is very simple. So aroma means scent, and therapy means curing, healing. So what it means is to cure with scent. So it has already been widely used as a traditional remedy treatment method, and also it has been used as fragrance since 1,000 years ago. So what is it made of? It is made of essential oils of herbs. So by inhaling or absorbing these oils, it will bring our body back to the healthy natural state. So it is also called rebalance. And these days, it was already widely used and beloved by modern people as a healing and recovery purpose. So I believe all of you must be very curious about the features and also the effect of these different essential oils. I will tell you one by one. So the first one is lavender. So I believe what first come into your mind is relax, right? So what lavender is good to us is it has a relaxing effect and also a soothing effect. It can help relieve tensions. It is good for to sleep and pain relief, itchiness, and insect bites, burns, etc. So why? It was because the main ingredient in lavender is known to be effective in suppressing convulsions and calming. So it is very effective in relaxing our mind. So the next up we have peppermint. So what comes to your mind when you think of peppermint? Yes, concentrations, the coolness, right? So peppermint can help you to concentrate, helps clears your head, especially relieves headaches, and helps your respirational and bronchial tubes, and it also brings energy to you and cools you down, etc. So the reason behind is because the main ingredient of peppermint creates a pleasant cooling effect from pain or irritations. So it is very fascinating, right? So lastly, we have lemon. So what is good about lemon? Yes, right. Skin health, healthy skins. So there are a lot of vitamin C in lemon, and also there are antioxidants in lemon too. So it can help to whitening our skins, and it can help to circulate the toxics in our skins and to release them out of our bodies, and it also helps blood circulations. So maybe some of you have already been doing massage with lemon oil to get rid of leg pains, etc. So this is also because of the main ingredient of lemon can boost your metabolism, and with vitamin C, it is very good to use in the evening. So we have been briefly talked about the efficacy of these essential oils and their raw materials. So these aromatherapy, how can we use it? So it is very specific while using these aroma oils. So we can directly massage them to our bodies or inhale it. So Atomy will always provide our consumers with absolute products and absolute quality. So this is a very important philosophy in Atomy, right? So of course, in this organic aromatherapy, we have been choosing the premium grade ingredients. So now let's take a look at the three product features. So the first one, it is a 100% organic product. So these days there are a lot of products claim themselves like we are organic, but sometimes they are only just completed one organic certifications. But for Atomy's aromatherapy, we have been completed all the organic certification throughout 3 processes, including raw materials, manufactured, and the finished products. And we have got the EcoCert and Cosmobio's, the world's leading certificates for organization products, for organic products. And the second feature is this is 100% made in France. So I believe all of you have heard that France is the best place in the world in terms of scent and essential oils, right? So for 51 years of history and traditions, we have chose a factories to produce our product, and we carefully selected all the ingredients origin from France. And thirdly, our product is 100% herbal oil without any additions or any chemicals. It is 100% pure herbal oils. So usually in a lot of other products, there are like chemicals, water, or different kind of ingredients mixed into the essential oil. But for our Atomy aromatherapy, we are using 100% pure oil without any mixtures. So this is very good, right? And while using these essential oils, we need something called we have something called jojoba oil. It is a very important thing to use with the essential oils because it acts as a milding effect. So while using these essential oils, please remember not to use it directly on your skin, but to mix with the carrier oil or lotions. So just now we have talked about the jojoba oil. It is also called as carrier oil. So this oil is very mild and safe that can be used by infants. So I have a baby for myself, and sometimes I use jojoba oil to help moisturizing her skin. So while we're using these essential oils, please remember to mix a few drops of carrier oil in order to bring a better effect. So I believe some of you have already heard about these products in one-day seminar, in different live programs, or in different meetings. But you must be very curious about how to use these oils and what is the ratio like to mix it with the jojoba oil. So now let me share to you our very secrets. So if you are doing an aroma massage, Take 1 spoiled of jojoba oil and mixed with 1 drop of essential oils and gently massage to your skins. So if you have a Atomy body lotion in your home, it will also okay to use the body lotion to mix with the essential oils. So this is the aroma massage that you can enjoy at home. So now we don't have to go to massage shop, but just by staying at home, we can enjoy the high quality aroma massage. So the next using of the essential oil is bathing. So for a full body bath, after filling your bathtub with the hot water, drop 5 to 10 drops of the essential oils and mix it well, and then you can enjoy a very healing full body bath. So also these essential oils can be used as a home fragrance. So it is a very popular home fragrancing method that can be used. So a lot of you have been using aroma pot or burner. So put some oil, put some water in it, and just drop 4 to 5 drops of essential oils, and your home will be filled with a very decent and a very elegant smell. And lastly is inhalation. So there are various type of inhalation for the essential oil. So the most simple way is just open up the little bottle and just breathe in for about 3 minutes. Just very simple, right? So there is also another inhalation method. Since there are so many people here today, so I have to give you tips about our essential oil. So we have 3 different flavors. First, we have lavender. So if you are feeling very tired or if you worked a lot on a very busy day, so you simply just drop 2 to 4 drops of the essential oils on a tissue and just open up the tissue and put it on your pillow. But be careful to use it and try not to use more than 4 drops because it might have a side effects. So just now we have talked about good sleep, but sometimes when we feel very tired or very sleepy, especially when we are driving or if we are studying, working, etc. So at this time, you can use peppermint essential oil. Just open the bottle up and just inhale for 3 seconds. And that's it. So please remember to put 1 peppermint essential oil in your car. It is very good for you while driving so that you can be more concentrated. So next we have the lemon essential oils. Sometimes we have muscle pains in our legs. So in those days we just mix our lemon essential oil with the jojoba oil and enjoy a leg massage. So this is the introduction of the Atomy organic aromatherapy, and I have been introducing about the features and giving you some tips. So I don't know if you guys like it. If you like my presentation, just give me a big hand. Thank you, everyone. Yes, so this is our new product. the aromatherapy. I hope that all of you can try it and to enjoy a very healing time with our essential oils. Not after introducing the product to you, I believe you guys would like to learn how to do stretchings or massaging using this aromatherapy, right? So we have invited a very special guest, a CEO of OG Body Health. So let's invite our Hee instructor to give us tips on relieving physical and mental tiredness. So this is it for me today. Thank you everyone for listening. And I am Isangmi. Thank you.